Peace, y'all. How are you today? Christmas Eve 2023. I'm making one more trip to town here. Get some last minute supplies before all hell breaks loose in the new year. Pretty cold day. So I got this Blue Eddy box here that won't recharge off my darn Jenny. I've tried different plugs, surge protectors, and they're not working. So I'm going to bring it over to a friend's house a few miles across and up the railway tracks there, plug it in at his house and see if it charges. If not, I got to return it. Get a refund of a few $100. Anyways, let's get going. Quick walk here down to the lake and I'll end it. So I just added a video from Gridlessness, a family living off grid, and boy have they got their shit together. I'm trying to inspire you all to get the hell out of Dodge. All the sheeple truthers out there, same shit, same verbal diarrhea year in, year out. They're all hiding in their own little chat rooms. You know, they all know what's coming, yet they refuse to do anything. So they hide in their own little circle jerks online. It's disgusting and disgraceful. When those who know the game continue to play it, instead of exiting the system to become self-empowered and self-sufficient. That's all I got to say. God bless you all. Have a wonderful holiday. And we'll talk to you in the new year, God willing. Much love and respect to everybody in my comments, my online family. I love you all. Keep soldiering on. God bless you all. Bit of a steep hill here. I just broke my my glasses. Darn it! Looks like I'll have to buy some in town. Put it on low setting here. And away we go. God bless. Take care, y'all. Much love and respect. Head on a swivel.